If you're gonna kill him, do it like a man. Any imbecile can kill a Jedi with a lousy sniper blast. You want my respect? You do it face to face. That would be me. Cat Bane at your service. I'll take on any job. For the right price. I got business with the Senate. How about you fellas step aside? Son, I wouldn't be so hasty if I were you. As long as everybody behaves, this will be quick and painless. Do nothing, and it will all be over soon. You're lucky we're in a hurry, little lady. They'll have to dance another time. Time to pay up, Hut. I don't work for free.